Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from the cartoon show Apple and Onion, and this time it's going to be the cute little lemon drop. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this very cute looking lemon drop, and she's actually very easy. We just gotta draw her eyes first, and it's just gonna be two circle. I know mine's a little bit wobbly. Okay, just draw two circle, and then on the inside just draw one more to finish up the eyeball. So we're gonna go both sides, and then I'm gonna shade them in. Okay, and then that's pretty much her eye, and then just right above it we're just gonna draw her eyebrow, and it's a little bit thicker, so I'm just gonna go over it twice with my Sharpie. Okay, and then from there her nose is just right below it, small little curve, and then for her mouth we just gonna go across, and then on the corner just got two lines like that. Okay, so that's pretty much her facial feature. So now we gotta draw the rest of the face. So if we go like from here to here, this is the spacing, and then we go out one more. So just to kind of gauge like how wide her face is gonna be, so we're just gonna draw two little dots there, and then we're gonna go all the way up. And I guess this will be the trickier part, so that we can draw a nice curve for her head. Okay, and then from there we're just gonna come down a little bit, go all the way around, and we're gonna try to leave a little bit of space for her arm, and then we're gonna finish off the bottom here, and it's gonna be a little bit more squash. And then from there, let's finish up the head with her bow. So right in the middle, just one little arc. And we're gonna draw the bow. We're gonna come out, and then go back down. A little bit of crease right there for the bow. And now we're gonna go down and draw her arm. So on the opening here, we'll just come out. And then on this one, we're gonna come out a little bit. And now we're gonna draw her thumb. And then she's gonna have 4 fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then the last one will be that, 4. And then on the other side, curve it out a little bit. And now her thumb. Again, 4 fingers. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. I'll close that off with 4. Okay, and then after that, just her legs. So this is gonna be easy. So right in the middle, just draw 2 lines like that. And one more here for the other side. And then we're gonna draw a little on the shoe here, a little flap. And that's the shoe. And then we're gonna come down. So it's very cartoony. Okay, and then now the other side, pretty much the same thing. I'll draw a flap. Gonna close this off. Draw another line. Come straight down. And tip. And close that off. And that's it for this lemon drop character from Apple and Onion cartoon. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.